trade the world that gives us the opportunity to hit these keys as fast as we can and get in and get out. And a shout out to Larry Wanta there today. I didn't want to trade That was a good one, right, Sheree? I didn't want to trade Netflix anymore today. So the update on the fill there is a 28 count. So you're right. And like I said, I just didn't want to revenge trade this thing. It hasn't really moved to give me that opportunity. It's moved, by the way, but not enough to really make me get back into it. So there it goes to the bottom now. And let's go Google, man. This is already a day maker for me right now as it comes back in. Yeah. Where's my 89, baby?
Don't go to Brennan right away.
Boom. Let's go to Brennan. What up?
Just checking out Ford here, guys. I saw a note, big spike in Ford here. To the downside, you can see volume coming in. It's 6,000, I believe, layoffs coming for Ford. I'll double check though, but looks like 6,000 layoffs announced by Ford.
I don't care what they announce. I'm not trading Ford in the afternoon. You saw what happened when I tried to put a trade on the other day. It just wouldn't move, Ford. So reacting to these layoff news, fine, I get it, big volume spike, but it probably moves a few cents. There was a cool question in the chat there that I will admit I had to look this one up, and by look it up, ask the crew here, which is Brendan and Lucas came up with the answer. When did Trader TV come on YouTube?
2019.
Well, so we started doing the show in 2019. We went to YouTube, apparently, on March 2nd of 2020. I thought it was earlier than that.
No, I looked it up. Well, I don't know. Our YouTube account is from August of 2019. I don't know.
Maybe that's not when we started streaming. I think the first stream
Ward no Rari, he always says. So, we're going to Rari it up one more time here today. Go positive for us today. Put some gas in the old Ferrari. Not that I own one. But there it is, a nice little move. As gas prices coming down a little bit here, which is nice to see. Google now starting to pay off again. Let's put a bid back into the 80s right now somewhere just to see if we can get it out there. We do have lower bids, obviously, on this name. If it can come through, that would be great. But for right now, it's Meta up to the upside right here like crazy. Look, I know, shout out to Jason there. More Sean's equals more likes. Can't do that today. I can't replicate myself. Tried a couple times, but unable to do that. My wife might not want that, but we can't do that. So I'm going to be here every day regardless. But what I wanted to get at, no risk, no Rari. That's what he says there.
Yeah, no risk, no Rari. I was going to say.
Thanks for that one. But all right, so that's what we're looking at. NVIDIA was the big one today. Obviously, this is a Rari trade for sure today. Downside, where is my long? Right there, 168 up to 178. $10 for you on that. Oh, that's what I want to do. I want to look at Ford. We only have now 17 minutes. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, Brennan. I don't know if that story came with like how many employees they have. I feel like 8,000. Although, look, man, that's a
lot.
Like, anybody losing their job really makes...
That's a lot. That's
yeah,
a lot
it makes me sick, to be honest with you. I mean, I'm a subscriber, a shareholder of Ford. We've been talking about that. Made a lot of money on this name, but not really moving on that, and I hate it. I hate layoffs. I hate all that stuff. Like, we could sit here and talk about the market all we want, but like, honestly, it's the people that drive the economy, and like, I know that they say that unemployment is at like lows. I don't know if I even believe that, but